third bit, second question. Find the number of ways. Find the number of ways. Find the number of ways of arranging the letters of the word. Of arranging the letters of the word. Find the number of ways of arranging the letters of the word. Missing. Missing. So that two S's are together and two I's are together two I's are together. Two S's are together, two I's are together. Okay, solution. First, given word is missing MISSING. This is the given word. In this given word, total letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I 2 times, yes 2 times. I 2 times came, yes 2 times came, remaining 3 letters came 1 time each. So overall 7. So here the condition given that 2 I's are together, 2 S's are together. Given 2 I's are together and 2 S's are together. 2 I's are together, 2 S's are together. Consider I's as 1 unit, S's as 1 unit. Remaining 3 letters as 1 unit each. Remaining 3 letters are 1 unit each. Total units equal to 1 plus 1 plus 3 equal to 5 units. So now we are arranging these 5 units. Okay, we arrange these 5 units in 5 factorial ways. We can arrange these 5 units can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. Now we need to arrange I's and S's. If we arrange I's internally, so actually both are I's, I. However, we arrange it will be same, only uniquely. Yes. So however we write, we are getting yes. So this is also one way. So both I's can be arranged in one way. Both S's can be arranged in one way. Overall, total choices equal to 5 factorial into 1 into 1 equal to 120. So the number of choices equal to 120. Okay. Next question number third question. The third question. If the letters of the word Ajanta, if the letters of the word Ajanta, if the letters of the word Ajanta are permuted in all possible ways, and the words thus formed are arranged in dictionary order. Find the ranks of the words. find the ranks of the words first one Ajanta, second one Janaka. Okay, first, so here the word is given Ajanta, we need to arrange in dictionary order. So already we done the problems about ranks. So in that none of the letters is repeated, but here the letters are repeated. If the letters are repeated, how we will do, we will discuss in this class. So dictionary order means alphabetical order. So first solution, Ajanta, A-G-A-N-T-A, Ajanta. So I want to write a dictionary order. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, S, T. Okay. So this is the dictionary order. So in the dictionary, the letters started with A first. A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So within the A, I want to check whether Ajanta word is in a started with letter A. Yes. So I am fixing A. So now I am searching for a second letter. Again A. Started with A. So whether the second letter is A? No. So that's why started with A. There won't be any word Ajanta. So A 4. Remaining 4 letters A, J, N, T. All are different. 4 factorial equal to 24. Next A. This A, later this A, but already it is also A. So next we are going A, J. So whether the second letter is J? Yes. So I am fixing the second letter. Again we need to come first. A, J, A. So is third letter A? Yes. It is also A. Next we are going again A. If it is not A, we are going for A. But it is A, we are fixing A. Then the remaining letters A, N, T we are observing. So A, G, A, fourth letter A? No. So 1, 2 factorial equal to 2. A, J, A. After A, N. So is it N? Yes. N. Come to first again. A. Is it A? No. Dash. 1 factorial. 1. Next one. A, J, A, N. After A, it is T. Is it T? Yes. Now next is automatically. So 0 factorial 1. So if we add all together 28. Rank of Ajanta is 28. Okay. Now second Janata. J-A-N-A-T-A. So Janata. In Janata, first alpha dictionary order. Dictionary order. A-A-A-J-N-T. So this is the dictionary order. Now, so first in this letters first started with A. Whether first letter is A? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 factorial, not 5 factorial. So if we exclude A, how many letters? 5 letters. Out of these 5 letters, anything repeated? So A is repeated twice. Out of 5 letters, A is repeated twice. So 5 factorial by 2 factorial. 5 factorial by 2 factorial. 120 by 2, 60. Latter A. So this A is also same. This A also same. Now we are going for J. So it is first letter J, rounding. So coming to the first again, J. Second letter also A. Okay. Now third letter again A I am taking. So it is M. So it is different. 1, 2, 3. So J A I am taking. Remaining letters A and T. 3 different letters. So 3 factorial equal to 6. J A. After A, we need to take this A, but this is also J A. So other than this, next going for N. So N. So third letter is N. So we are fixing fourth letter. Initially come first again A, so it is A, so it is fixed. Fifth letter I am taking, fifth letter A, so it is not A, so 1 factorial equal to 1. So J M A, after A it is T, it is fixed A, so 0 factorial 1 equal to 68, rank equal to 68. So this is the rank. Okay, similar question. To better understanding, I will explain the example. If example 5, if the letters of the word M sets are permuted, M set are permuted in all possible ways, and if the words formed in the dictionary order, find the rank of word M set. So we need to find out the rank of word M set. Okay, next. First, I am taking the word M set, E A M C E T. So this is the word M set. So dictionary order. What is the dictionary order? First letter A, letter C, E M T. So this is the order. A B C D E F G H I J K L M. Last remain T. Okay. So these letters are started with A. So since initially it is A, so it is not A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So other than A, remaining 5. So if you observe other than A, 5 letters, whether it is same, E is same. So that's why 5 factorial by 2 factorial. 120 by 2, 60. Ladder C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is not started with C. So out of 5 letters other than C, so there are 5 letters. 5 factorial by 2 factorial. E is same, 60. After C, next letter E. So whether it is the same, E same. Okay, coming to the first A. Whether it is same, yes. Now we are coming third. So actually A is done. So C. So whether third letter is C? No. 1, 2, 3. So E, A, C, other than 3, 1, 2, 3, E, M, P, all are different. 3 factorial equal to 6. E, A, after C it is E. E, A, E, other than E, A, E, C, M, P, all are different. 3 factorial equal to 6. E, A, after E, M. Is it right? M, correct. So now coming to the first C. This is also okay. Next E. Next this is also fifth one T. So 0 factorial 1. So 12, 13, 133. So rank of M set equal to 130. So this is the required solution. Next question. ways of arranging. Find the number of ways of arranging the letters of the word. The letters of the word. Letters of the word. Assassinations. ASSOCIA TIONS. Assassinations. In how many of them? In how many of them? First one, all the three S's come together. Second, the two A's do not come together. Okay, so the given word is assassinations. So in this we need to all the three S's come together, no two A's come together. So this is the question. So according to these two situations we need to find. So actually find the number of ways of arranging the letters of the word assassinations. So this is also we need to find. First solution, the given word associations. So this is the associations is the given word. So total letters. How many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 letters. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 plus 3, 12. So anything repeated. A 2 times 1, 2. Yes 3 times, it is already given in the question. 1, 2, 3. Next, O, how many times? 1, 2 times. C, how many times? 1 time. I, how many times? 2 times. A already came. T, how many times? 1 time. I 2 times completed. O 2 times completed. N, how many times? 1 time. Yes, already came. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. So, I 2 times. Okay, now total permutations equal to 12 factorial by repeated 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. This is the answer, one of the answer. First, now coming to the first one. If all the three S's, all three S's come together. If all three S's come together, so if all these three S's come together, considering 1 unit, consider S's as 1 unit. Remaining, how many letters remaining? 9 letters. 9 letters as 1 unit each. Remaining 9 letters as 1 unit each. Total units equal to 9 plus 1 equal to 10 units. So these are the 10 units. These 10 units can be arranged. These 10 units can be arranged in. So generally 10 factorial S by other than S anything repeated. So S 3 times other than is 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. So these times arrange, we can arrange other than S. So 2 10 factorial by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. Now S's can be arranged in. So actually 3 S's, 3 factorial. All the 3 S's are 3 letters, 3 factorial. All those are same. So 3 factorial equal to 1 way. Okay. Overall, total choices equal to 10 factorial by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial into 1. No need to write. Okay. Next, second one is no two s do not come together. No two s come together, I think. No two s, the two s do not come together. The two s do not come together. Okay. So 2s do not come together. Do not come together. So if a's do not come together, we need to arrange remaining. We need to arrange remaining. So we need to arrange remaining. So remaining how many? Total how many letters? 12. Other than a 10. So we can arrange the remaining in 10 factorial by. So other than 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial ways. Now actually other than a we are arranging. Now we need to arrange yes. So first how it will be the arrangement? 10 letters we are arranging. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the 10 letters arranged. Blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there exists 11 blanks to fill 2s n. So 11 blanks 2s. How many ways we can arrange? 11 p 2. But both the letters are same a. So by 2 factorial ways. Overall, total choices permutations equal to 10 factorial by 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial into 11 p 2 by 2 factorial. This is the required result. Okay, next, second with the first question is one more last problem is find the number of four letter words. Find the number of 4 letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word. The letters of the word Ramana. So observe the question. Find the number of 4 letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word Ramana. R-A-M-N-A-N. Okay. How many letters in the word Ramana? 6. How many letters we need? 4. So actually, if we need all the 6 letters, it will be very easy. Simply 6 factorial by a 3 times came, 6 factorial by 3 factorial. That's it. Problem is done. But here we need 4 letters. That is the major task. Okay. So other than a, how many letters? 3. R-M-N. So we need 4 letters. At least one of A is required. At least one of the A is required. Either 1A or 2A's or 3A's. We need at least one of A. Without A, we can't find any word. Any 4 letter words, because other than A, there are only 3 letters. R, M, N. Okay. So solution. The given word Ramana. So total letters 6. Yes, 3. R, 1. M, 1. N, 1. So other than yes, R, M, N, all are came only once. Okay, so we need 4 letter words. So I'm taking different situations. Case 1, only one A. I'm taking only one A. If we are taking only one A, remaining letters should be remaining letters are R, M, N. R, M, N. So these are the remaining letters. So the letters are A, R, M, N. All are different letters. We can arrange them in 4 factorial equal 24 ways, since all are different. Next, case 2. 2 A's. Previously we took only 1 A. Automatically remaining R and M will come. But here how many A's? 2 A's we are taking. If we are taking 2 A's, we need 2 more letters. The choices are either R comma M or R comma M or M comma M. So either we are taking R comma M, RM combination, or RN combination, or MN combination. How many combinations exist? 3 combinations exist. 3 combinations are exist. If 3 combinations are exist, so now we have 4 letters. Among them, A is repeated 2 times. A is repeated 2 times. We have 4 letters. In those, A repeated 2 times. So we can arrange 4 factorial by 2 times 2 factorial ways. But what we have 3 choices. Total 3 into 4 factorial by 2 factorial, 3 into 24 by 2, 2 into 1, 2 into 12. 36 choices in this case. Okay, now case 3. We are now taking 3 A's. So first situation I am taking only 1 A. In this we are taking 2 A's. Now we are taking 3 A's. If we are taking 3 A's, so we need 4 letters. How many letters we need? Only 1 letter. So we need only 1 letter. We have 3 choices. Those are R, M, N. Either R or M or N. These are the 3 choices. So now I am taking. Now we have, after selecting one of the digit, we have one of the letter. We have we have 4 letters with 3 letters are same. We can arrange in 4 factorial by 3 factorial ways. So in this we can arrange them. So already we have 3 choices into 4 factorial by 3 factorial equal to 3 into 24 by 6, 6 into 1, 6 into 4, 3 into 4, 12 is. So 3 cases done. So the number of 4 letter words equal to, from first case 24 choices, from second case 36, from third case 12. So this is 48, 72 number of choices does exist. So this is the required solution.